Finally, dumating na aking order sa Shandy Masangkay. And this is the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra. And you can buy this right now sa Shandy Masangkay and sa Shandy Philippines. And i-unbox natin right now and I'll be showing you my quick first impression dito sa bagong flagship ni ZTE Nubia. Simulan natin. So itong box na ito looks very premium. Kita natin nakaprint dito Z60 Ultra and sa gilid it's Nubia. Meron siyang red na line dito and black, looks very sporty. And sa gilid, Nubia Z60 Ultra. Empowered siya ng Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 by licensed by Qualcomm, may meron siya DTS-X, Wi-Fi 6 certified and Snapdragon na sound. And what I have here is the global variant, 5G siya, 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gig of storage. And this is the color black, by the way. So, buksan natin. And like what I said sa aking preview, hiniwalay ni ZTE Nubia ang tatlong cameras dito. So, isa, dalawa, tatlo. And for the first time, nakita ko na ganun hiniwalay ang camera. And you would see several steps dito sa kanyang camera. Meron siya isang bump dito. And ang circle niya is another bump. This one is another bump, but this one is flat. Andito ang kanyang LED flash. Andito ang Neo na logo. Andito ang Neo Vision na logo. Dito ang Nubia. And it's very matte finish dito sa likod. Sarap hawakan, no? And sa ilalim, we have your SIM tray, your microphone in, your Type-C port, of course, your loudspeaker, no? Then, of course, nandiyan na kayo ng mga antenna bands. And on the other side, andito yung ringer toggle, your power button na kulay pula, and of course, your volume rocker. And on top, we have your IR and your noise cancelling mic. And on the other side, your antenna bands lang. And pag sinundot natin, you'll see dalawang SIM card dito, no? 5G capable na SIMs. And it's nano size. Now, before natin ipakita ang screen niya, let's see the stuff inside. So, we have your SIM ejector tool and of course, your manual. Yan ang nakaprint, no? So, true enough, here's your SIM ejector tool. User guide, and ang kanyang clear case na hard. And we have two more box dito. One is your cable, for sure, which is this one. Red cable, as usual. And of course, your charging brick. Type-C to Type-C na siya. And we also have a 80 watts na charging brick na Type-C. Now, by default, this is ang kanyang lock screen. And pag swipe out mo, kita mo ang ganda na kanyang wallpaper. This is by default, wala pa akong ginagalaw dyan, pinapalitan dyan. And swiping left and right, definitely smooth. And mapapansin mo na nawawala ang kanyang camera module dito sa harap. Dahil this one, for the first time, other than yung kanyang red magic line, no, it has a under-display na front-facing camera. So, hindi mo siya makikita. But nandyan lang siya nakatago, no? So, kung tinignan mo ganun, like yung mga Red Magic series, medyo a little bit blurry kasi under-display nga siya. So, since this one is a camera series ni ZTE for the Z series, one is the 18mm, the other one is normal lens, and the other one is a zoom lens, no? So just quickly take a shot using kanyang normal lens, taking it. Okay, so just see a quick preview lang. So kita natin, no, under the low light condition, this camera is able to perform. But we'll know more about this sa aking full review. And ititis ko lang kayo a quick benchmarking dito sa Antutu benchmark. This is the score that you'll be expecting from this phone sa Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 niya. So guys, if you're interested to know more about the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra, subscribe lang kayo sa aking channel para ma-notify kayo once in-upload ko ang aking full review dito sa phone na ito. And mabibili nitong phone na ito sa Shandy Philippines and of course sa Shandy Masangkay. I'll be linking on the description box below. I'll see you in the next video. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.